ever seen?
Aye, now that's a ship worth needing! Army, back to boat mode! We're gonna take a closer look!
Aye, aye, Captain.
Avast! This be a beach we've never seen! Ahoy!
Captain Boss, Mr. Sid, sir? Sounds like that big pirate ship is in trouble.
Aye, then it'll be easier for the taking!
Robo-Dog?
Yes!
Shh! We have to be super quiet. Here's the plan. You hide behind that barrel, then I'll go get Sid away from the bridge by acting clumsy and silly like last time. He thinks it's hilarious. That's when you sneak up there and take the control.
You're such a funny, clumsy pup. Water!
Clumsy me.
Hey! Nobody gets this buccaneer wet! Turn that thing off!
Guess this clumsy pup's aim is not too good.
It's the Sea Patroller! And now to get back on. Hold on, it's full speed ahead.
Turn those cannons off! Or I'll make you walk the plank!
Better watch your step.
Why, you sneaky pup!
Huh?
Well, blow me down!
Sid Swashbuckle, we're taking back our ship.
Ryder, am I happy to see you?
Who needs your dinky boat or your clumsy pup? I'm getting me a super schooner!
Wait, Sid, you should know.
You should know not to tell me what I should know! Later, landlubbers!